Finally, after waiting, ilang minutes na naman yun. And then, the van just arrived. So, anyway, nakasakay na din tayo. So, it's worth it na hindi tayo sumakalan sa punong-puno talaga na bus. Kasi wala ding upuan doon. So, let's just wait for another 30 minutes again before it will take on. Yeah, and just go along the way. That's it. So I'm just here waiting for the passenger. You need to hold the capacity passengers seating capacity of this one so that it will go. The bus will go and go there and just that's it. So tayo ay magpapa-aircon na muna dito. Malakas ang aircon at malamig. Mabuti na lang I'm wearing my jacket. So matagal tayo gumising mga kapatid because it's our summer break and so I'll give an update later kung aandar na siya. Okay, that's all for today. Good day. Have a great day everyone.